Hello everyone in the new video with a new point. Point 3.1, establishment of the racial state in the Germany by the Nazis. In the earlier point we have seen what theories, what practices, what beliefs were followed by the Nazis. What were the beliefs of the Nazis to inculcate the Nazism in Germany that we have seen in the earlier video. In this video, we have seen what practices they adopted, who faced more problem. Nazi wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans to make it what these people had done. They want only the pure and healthy Nordic Aryans without Nordic Aryans, but they also must be healthy. If one is not healthy, he was also eliminated from the society. Eliminating, removing, physically, eliminating undesirable. How it done? By physically eliminating undesirable. Who were the undesirable? 52 categories were there which belongs from the undesirable. Jew, gypsies, blacks, Poles, or many others. They were belongs as the undesirable. Nazis quickly began to implement their dream in creating an exclusive racial community of pure Germans by physically eliminating all those who were seen as undesirable in the extended empire. Nazis wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. They alone were considered. Nazis only were considered as the desirable. Desirable, suitable. Undesirable, not suitable for the life. Only they were seen as the worthy of prospering and multiplying against all others who were classed as undesirable. This meant that even though Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to exist. If German is also there, but he is seen as impure or abnormal, he was also not having right to exist to live there. Under the Euthanasia program, the program of mass killing, the practice of mass killing heartlessly to the people called Euthanasia program. In the Euthanasia program, Nazi officials had condemned to death many Germans who were considered mentally and physically unfit. In this euthanasia program, the Germans also killed who were considered as the mentally and physically unfit. Jews were not only community classified as undesirable. There were others also, many gypsies and blacks living in the Nazi Germany were considered as racial inferiors who threatened the biological purity and superior Aryan race. They were widely persecuted, punished. Even Russians and Poles were considered subhumans. They were also not having right to live. They were also undesirable. The Russians and Poles also considered as the undesirable. These were the categories belongs from the 52 categories and hence undeserving of any humanity. These people were not deserved to get any humanity. Inhumanly, these people were killed by the Nazis. When Germany occupied Poland and parts of the Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slaves laborers. The Germany attacked, invaded on the Poland's and some Russian part. The people, the civilians which captured from that region were forced to work as the slaves. Many of them died simply through hard work and starvation. Many civilians, which belonged from the Poland and Russia, were died simply because of the hard work and the starvation. The food was not given to them, but work was done more highly. Jews faced more atrocities, but among them, the Jews were faced more atrocities. Jews remained the worst sufferers in the Nazi Germany. Nazi hatred of the Jews precursor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jews. The hate for the Jews by the Nazi can be seen in the traditional Christian hostility also. They had been stereotyped. The Nazis were stereotyped as they were the killers of the Christ and they were usurers, money lenders who uses high charges, interest charges, and loot to the people. So the Jews were stereotyped as the Christ and the usurers. That is why they faced more there. Until medieval time, Jews were barred from owning land. The Jews were not having right to buy the land, own the land until medieval age in the Europe. Until the medieval times, Jews were barred from owning land. They survived mainly through trade and money lending. Then, how these people lived there? The Jews were how survived? They survived only through the trading and money lending. They lived in a separate marked areas called ghettos. These people were living in the ghettos. The ghettos were living place of these Jews. The Jews were living in these ghettos. They were often persecuted through periodic organized violence. These people were persecuted through the violence, periodic violence, and expulsion from their land. They were excluded, they removed, they forced to live to their lands. However, Hitler's hatred of Jews was based on pseudoscientific theories. Pseudoscientific theory, it was the theory of not having any scientific base. Hitler believed the pseudoscientific theory of the race. The race theory he was believed, which held that conversion was no solution to the Jewish problem. Conversion of the Jews in the human life was the no solution. The solution was just total elimination. The period is here 1933 to 1938. The Nazis terrorized, pauperized, and segregated the Jews, and they forced to leave their countries. In the two period, it is given, the timeline is given in 1933 to 1938. They just terrorized by the Nazis, not terrorized, pauperized also, pauperizing. In this period, they were terrorized, pauperized, and segregated. Pauperized, made poor. Their property were taken away by the Nazis. That is why it is called pauperized, and segregated. And they were forced to leave their countries in this period of 1933 to 1938. Jews were forced to leave the countries. They were terrorized, segregated, pauperized by the Nazis. In the next period, in 1939 to 1945, what happened with the Jews in the Nazi Germany? The Nazis were aimed at concentrating them in the certain areas and killing them in the gas chambers in Poland. These people were, the Jews were collected in the areas of the Poland which were called the gas chambers. In these gas chambers, the mass killing of the Jews was taken place in the period of 1939 to 1945. So in this way, we have seen the establishment of the racial state in the Nazi Germany. In the next video, we will see the racial utopia. After that, what actions, what events taken place in the Germany, and what Germans or the Jews or the undesirable faced in the Germany, that we are going to see in the next video.